Order filled. Order filled.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Van. How are you today? I did hop in this inside bar break, making some new highs. It's just a quick scalp trade.
Order filled.
All right, we are out. How are you today? Happy Halloween. I have a little makeup on, just have to do a little more. So we do have news at 7:30. I believe it's PPI. Let me double check. It's PCE, Price Index month over month, year over year, in about 30 minutes. Van, how are you? How's your trading going? I am a fairy today, a market fairy. Going to bring lots of monies and good luck to people. So I do have CNBC News on for background. And then also, so when the news comes out, we can listen to it together. Good morning, Corey. Corey, the phone trader, is in the house. Good morning. Happy Halloween. Corey will be on the show next week. So we are scheduling that. I'm super excited. Corey, 40 minutes goes by so fast. Just a heads up. Are you guys dressing up today at all? Good morning, Rocky. Good morning. I am a market fairy today. Going to bring good luck, monies to everyone. That's awesome, Van. It sounds like you're doing great. Yeah, I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired, but I'm doing okay. I was so close to a payout. In this Lucid account here. It's in profit by total 6,531. But as you recall, I was only $400 away, $300 to $400 away from requesting a $3,000 payout. And I just fumbled the ball. I oversized. I did a little erratic trading at a Globex Open and took max loss on it. I know. I need a little fairy dust myself. But yeah, so the good news is the account is still alive. It's doing okay. It was not in ICU, no problemo. So I still have $6,000 and 6,400 in this account. So we will have to slowly build it back up to about 9,000 something, and then I can request a $3,000 payout. So fingers crossed, right? But yeah, it's just part of the game. There are days where I trade awesome, and then there are days where I fumble the ball. And I'm working on it, right? I think everyone, you all see me working on it. So I wish it was the kind of thing where you learn the lesson once and then you never have to revisit it again. But that does not seem the case, at least with me. Good morning, Kay. So good to see you. Thank you. Kay loves my costume. I am a market fairy, and I'm going to bring good luck to everyone and hopefully monies to everyone. Maybe there might be money under your pillow. You will have to check tomorrow morning. Good morning, Off the Ground. Yes, it is Happy Halloween in the United States. So for fun, we dress up and take the kids out for trick or treating, which is like you go door to door, and the kids are wearing a costume and they say trick or treat, and they get candy. It's a fun tradition here. Good morning, Rocky. Yes, happy Friday. I have all weekend to recover, 100%. Oh my gosh. Okay, so tune in to my Funded Futures stream this morning because we do have an awesome promo that is going to be released this morning, I believe. So hopefully it will be this morning because I know a lot of people have been waiting for some Halloween accounts, and including myself. So that will be nice to load up on some promos. I can't spill the beans. But Matt, the CEO, he did kind of tease it a little bit on X. He said, if you love the $77 core account, you're going to love the Halloween special even more. So heads up on that. And let's see, some other deals. Tradeify is still running their deal, 45% off. Direct to funded accounts, 25, 50, and 100K. Use code Terri for my funded futures. Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, and Trade Day. Thank you everyone for supporting the channel. We had Alfred on. Thank you so much, Alfred. I'm not sure if you're in the house yet. That was really fun. And Corey, the phone trader, will be on next week. Yeah, every time you guys use that code, I am slowly reinvesting into our channel to make it bigger and better and more fun, really, to bring you more value. So thank you so much. And also thank you every day for coming in, smashing that like button. I know it's kind of annoying that you have to do it every single time, but I do appreciate it a lot. Good morning, Ethan 007. Good morning. Coffee, cheers. Did you guys see the market yesterday? We made another all-time high, which is something. It was during the day. I was actually done trading by then. So let's take a look here. So this is the hourly chart. Yesterday it was so volatile. My goodness. Okay, so here is Globex. No. 29. Okay, so here's Globex open. Yesterday's open right here. Right here. And it just took off on the hourly. I mean, if you're trading on the 5-minute or the small time frames, it feels like it's not going anywhere, just up and down. But it did take off when you look at the hourly, and the market did make a new high. Oh, it did make a new high. Okay, so not yesterday. It made a new high on the 29th. So the all-time high so far is 26,399. I'm sorry, for some reason I thought we made an all-new high during market yesterday. Wow, look at this. It was so volatile. Okay, maybe I'm thinking of a dream or something. I don't know. So this is yesterday, according to this chart. This is yesterday at 7 a.m. So the market did sell off. And then we bounced. So this is the earnings right after the market closed. It bounced hard. So we had Apple earnings, we had Amazon earnings, all very positive. So far tech earnings has been very positive. We do have news in about 21 minutes. So I'm kind of waiting for that. Oh, okay. So this account, last night, I was trading 5 different direct to funded accounts, and I was doing some battling in them, and I was in profit total, like in the accounts, about $1,200. And I thought I closed out everything. I closed it out in my funded futures account. I closed it out in my Tradeify account. And I thought I closed it out in the Lucid account. Well, to my dismay, fast forward about 20 minutes later, my browser is still there. So I look over and I pull it up, and I was still in the short with like 5 minis on. And fortunately, the account was only negative $600, but I had lost all the gains, the $1,200, and then it swung red, right, down to negative 600. So really, the swing was $1,800 of a swing on that execution error, essentially. Um, I am finding it difficult to trade like multiple accounts without using one trade copier, and I haven't tried to use one trade copier across multiple firms. I think I've been hesitant because I keep seeing all these like horror stories of people who lose all of their accounts because they're using like a copy trader and it just doesn't work. So I don't know. I'm going to have to think more about that, right? Like, because these execution errors are really getting they're getting to me. So, anyways, it was negative 600, and then I battled during Globex and brought the account positive to about 1,200. Um, yeah, and then I did a little trading this morning, and we're back at 1,200. So, not too much to report. I think my accounts have been volatile, just like the markets have been volatile. Oh, Ethan. Good morning, Ethan. Good to meet you, Ethan. It's a joke that we have because Ethan's handle, it said like at Ethan something something, and I didn't realize, Ethan, you're the same Ethan. So I was like, oh, welcome, Ethan. I don't know when. Oh yeah, we're also doing some. I don't know how much I can say, but stay tuned to the stream on My Funded Futures all day today because there will be some fun giveaways, and we have that awesome promo. You're asking when are they giving away the scale accounts? I got to take the baby to doctors in the morning. Oh, I can't give the details, Ethan, but I can say there will be giveaways throughout the whole day for Halloween. I think I can safely say that. I hope your baby's okay, Ethan. Um, Good morning, Rocky. I am in the Tradeify Cup. I haven't I haven't signed up for a team yet. I feel like I have to sign up for Matt's team, right? Because we're on My Funded Futures TV together. But I just have so many trader friends on the as ambassadors. So I kind of feel like bad picking one team. I wish I could pick multiple teams. Yes, I will likely join Matt's team because we are on the My Funded Futures family team together. So, are you guys in the Tradeify competition? Yes, it starts on Monday. It's going to be so intense. The way they have it set up is going to be intense. Okay, we are pumping higher. Let's look at that 7 o'clock candle. Dang it. I was busy talking. Okay, so the 7 o'clock candle did close green and it is breaking out above it. So we missed that trade, but that's okay. I think I would have felt nervous anyways taking this trade because it's at highs, making new highs for the overnight swing. Good morning, Nicholas. Good morning, Green. Good morning, Olis. Welcome. Good to see you. I think you've been here before, Olis. Ooh, what's the best prop firm for a new starter? Welcome, Elon. Von Fishing or Vo Fishing. I would say the best firm, best account for newbies and also for any level, really. But I love the My Funded Futures core accounts because you get the account for all-in costs, the best value in town, and it's a firm that you can 100% trust. And there's no consistency rules in the sim funded side, and it's end of day drawdown for the eval and for the sim funded side. And across the board, all the accounts are always end of day, by the way. I don't know why I said that, but yeah, all the accounts are end of day. I think I need more coffee. So my funded futures, the core account is the best. Use Terri, code Terri for that. Thank you so much. Good luck, Elon. Let us know how your journey's going. We're all here to support each other. We're building a very positive, encouraging environment, and where you're exactly where you need to be, right? Like we continue to change and grow and hopefully improve our trading is the goal, and to do it together so we don't have to do this alone, because trading alone really sucks. It really sucks. I've been there. Oh, thank you, Nicholas. You're so awesome. I appreciate you. Oh, Rocky's asking, how old is your little one? I actually don't have kids, Rocky. Just like when I said people taking. Oh, Rocky, you're asking Ethan. Yes. And Ethan says your little one is 1 year old. Oh, so cute. Babies are adorable when they're not teething. When they're teething, that is painful for the baby and for everyone around the baby. Yes, exactly, Ethan. The payouts on my funded futures takes seconds. Sometimes like your first payout request might take maybe 12 minutes or 20 minutes, but after that it's within a second, less than a second. Tom took a payout on the show on my funded futures stream yesterday morning, and it was under a second. It was like he submitted it and then he went and checked his bank account and he's like, money's already there. I love that. There's not waiting around wondering if you got approved or not. Woo, this market is pumping. So NQ is already up by 1.43%. Fantastic earnings. Let's take a look at the daily real quick. We're just waiting for, no trades right now, just waiting for the news to hit. Wow, look at it go. Okay, I think this is interesting. So yesterday, what the heck? And now my data is saying yesterday we did make that all-time high. What is going on? Okay, so this is the daily chart. This is yesterday, October 30th, and it says the high is 399. So it wasn't just me, as you can see here. Yeah, I don't know what that's about. Okay, so, but let's look at the pattern formation here. I think this is very interesting. Yesterday was an outside bar. Can I trust this? What the heck? Okay, now I need to pull up a different chart because this is very strange. I'm going to pull up my Thinkorswim chart. That's so weird. This is on Project X, which I love to trade on because of like the lockout features. I don't like this. Why it's different. Okay, today's Friday, Thursday. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's including the data from the day before in that all-time high. Yeah, I don't know. Regardless, the all-time high is 26,399. And I do think this is interesting that this candle, it made a new high and then also a low here. So this is an outside bar. That is a note of interest. Wow, that earnings pump. Looking very bullish for the day. Let's see what that report comes in at. And then depending on that report, if the report is a bullish report for the day, I will be looking for some type of pullback and then to get in on a long for the day for New York. But we might do some scalpy trades together. Let's see what happens. We'll go back to the 5-minute. Ooh, market is pumping higher. 260, 261. Elon is asking, how is your setup, Terri? My setup, oh, maybe you're asking like, what is my setup? as far as trading strategies. Nicholas, thank you, Nicholas. Yes, don't FOMO. It is Halloween, and we don't want any more horror stories. Oh my gosh. Yes. No, we don't want any horror stories. I think my makeup looks okay. I'll probably add on more right before I hop on the stream. Okay, 10 minutes. News is going to come out in 10 minutes. Oh, and the cool thing about the core account also is you can trade news on the core and the scale in the sim funded. It's only the pro accounts that you can't trade red folder news. Yes, Ethan, this is the current market data. This is on Project X. This is through Lucid. Market is pumping higher. Still going. Maybe we see all new highs today. It's possible. We're not very far. We're less than what, 1% from the from 4,000 level. It is possible. FOMO day. No, no FOMO day. Type in 1 if you struggle with FOMO sometimes. I know I do. Type in 1. All right, 9 minutes. We are trading above VWAP here. Gold is also up. Let's take a look at gold together. So I am not chasing this higher. News is coming out in 8 minutes. No way, Jose. You cannot trick me, market, into chasing when there's news in 8 minutes. Here's gold. Ooh. Gold buyers are buying. Gold is up 15 points. This is the 5 minute. Let's take a look at the hourly together. Yeah, gold is looking good. Gold is looking good. It looks like it. Look at this. It tested the low was 4,001.9. Like those even numbers, like those big even round numbers. So interesting how the market participants love to either buy or sell around those prices. Looks like the bears made money. Bears made money on the hourly overnight. Okay, let's look at the daily on gold. Well, that's interesting, right? Overnight, it went and tested this 9 MA. Very interesting. So either this is a pullback, it's going to go higher, or right, it's going to make its way down. I think this massive run, it makes sense. Oh, gosh. Look at the daily on these candles, how like they're small and then they just get bigger and bigger and bigger, which is so interesting in gold, which I feel like with the indexes, it's typically the opposite. Like as we're grinding higher, if it's a strong trend up, I feel like typically volatility will go down. The VIX goes down, which means if volatility goes down, the candles, like the daily ranges, also go down. But this is so interesting. Market behavior of gold, as it's going higher, the candles are just getting bigger and bigger. And then finally, we got this capitulation. And sellers came in. Very interesting. So we'll see what happens in gold. I have been trading gold more, as many people have been. It is the hot commodity. But yeah, these contracts are huge. Let's go back to NQ. Let's take a look at ES. Okay, the new high is 26,274. Yes, very strong. Also at the highs. How's YM?
Well, I think, Venezuela has probably been unhappy with us for a while.
YM also at the highs of day.
But as we've seen,
All right, news in 5 minutes.
very, very successful. I think there's a broader global coalition that recognizes the need to keep markets open and free enterprise.
You don't think there's news, Rocky? Really?
The U.S. and many of the
It got canceled?
are standing up to any bullying that might come out of Venezuela to make sure that
Okay, I'm gonna look at Forex Factory.
remains free and that countries
Oh,
like to pursue their domestic resources.
no news. Okay, so this chart is wrong. Tisk, tisk, tisk. That's two things that are wrong on this chart. With Project X. So they just didn't cancel it. Whatever news feed they're pulling from, it just wasn't canceled. Yeah, so on Forex Factory, which I believe is more reliable. So I will believe Forex Factory. There is FOMC member Logan speaks at 8:30 Central Time. So that's 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. And more Fed speakers. Okay, well, then all clear. If I see a scalpy trade, we're gonna jump in. So this is the all new high for the day. 7:30. Let me see what the range is. Whoa. Do you guys see this? What is happening? Okay. It must be, it's the Halloween. Someone help me. Oh, what's going on? Okay.
Today, you're meeting for coffee. Take another. And then before you know it, you're meeting the family. At Credit One Bank, we believe having the credit and rewards for the little moments today can lead to
So the range is only about 150. That's a pretty small range in pre-market lately. Yeah, about 150. So we could go higher. This is possible. Okay, I think I will wait for an inside bar or like a nice 3-bar reversal. Maybe we'll get it. Only 12 minutes. Good morning. It's Mobro. What is up? Good morning, Mick. Thank you, Mick. I am a market fairy today. Oh, it's Mobro is asking, is anyone else micro gold data not loading on Tradeify? Let me check. That's annoying. Okay, micro gold. MGC. Oh, my data's loading. Mine's okay.
Welcome back to Squawk Box. Take a look. Dow Jones up about 117 points. The NASDAQ up close to 400 points.
That sucks. It's Mobro. What firm? Happy Halloween, Mick. Good morning, MMM. Okay, Nicholas is liking a short on NQ here. Good luck, Nicholas. I see it. I see what you see. Yes, I am tempted, but I am going to wait for confirmation. I'm going to wait for either an inside bar or a 3-bar reversal. Good morning, Coach Fred. Great to see you. Thank you. Yes, everyone, smash that like button for us. That's the market saying, Terry, come on in, water is warm. I know, right? I'm going to wait though, because I've battled last night and this morning. I don't want to battle. I don't want to battle this morning. If you're a fairy, enchant my profit, please. Yes, good luck, TTBZ. May you make lots of money today. I need a wand. Maybe my curling iron can be my wand. All right. TTBZ, may you make lots of money today, and may you end the day green in all your accounts. Happy Halloween, all. Oh, yes, Mick, you may you make lots of money and become profitable consistently. Good morning, Vanessa. Yeah. Vanessa's asking about the NASDAQ. Overnight, we're at the highs. We're just waiting for some type of confirmation to hop into a short. Oh, look, we do have an inside bar. All right, that is our sign. It did break on the low. So I am going to hop into a short here. And I'm going to risk the high of this bar. So this might not work, and that's okay. It's a scalpy trade. And we will go for a 1-to-1.
Percentage basis, this translates into up about 1.5%. Would put us just below an all-time high if we were to open at these levels. You know, at the all-time high where we closed, just below that. Still, I think we're up by maybe.
Nicholas says just paper and tight stop at the high. Maybe it's going to sweep once more or keep going up. I don't know. It's possible. Guaranteed. It will go to the right. It may go up, it may go down, or it may go sideways, but guaranteed it will go to the right. And hindsight trading is 100% win rate. 100%. If you're looking for the perfect strategy, it's hindsight trading for sure. Good morning, Bori. Good to see you.
Thank you, Andrew. Kansas City Fed President Jeff Schmidt out his statement explaining his dissent at.
Yay! All right, so that's copy traded across 2 accounts. Let's go.
In terms of resistance to future rate cuts, Schmidt, of course, dissented against the saying monetary policy should lean.
Good morning, Mo. Can you guys hear this?
He is concerned that the
News about the Fed speakers.
Will now be called into question while it cuts with the inflation rate more like 3%. He sees the labor market in balance as the economy has momentum while inflation is too high at the same time. Policy, he says, is only modestly restrictive and thinks it ought to stay there. His contacts in the Kansas City area in his region are expressing wide.
Can you guys hear this?
Over inflation, including
CNBC.
Rising healthcare and insurance costs. He says inflation is spreading across categories in both goods and services, so he does not see it just linked to the tariff prices that most people do. And then he makes a point here, which is, I think, significant. Financial market conditions, he says, appear to be easy. He talks about equity being near record highs, bond spreads being very narrow, and high yield issuance being very high. Market conditions, he says, suggest financial conditions are not tight. Finally, he says the August and July data he's seen suggests the economy may have accelerated through the summer. And one last thing here, capital investment, he says, has shown strong increases, and that ought to be essentially sensitive to interest rates if they were too high. Since they're doing so well, he suggests maybe interest rates are not so high. Becky, a real window here into what Powell was dealing with in terms of both the resistance to the October rate cut as well as future rate cuts in December. And I just want to have a quick look here at the outlook for the probabilities. It was as high as 67% this morning for December, and I don't know if it's going to be any lower right now. That's still pretty much in the same area. 68% is the probability for the December rate cut. Becky?
All right.
Where was it before the Fed?
Oh,
before
good question.
Spoke on Wednesday?
Good question, Becky.
Okay, the tail of the tape was 84% or even 85% before the Powell spoke. Unchanged, by the way, by the statement, but it was Powell's statement that, hey, December is not a done deal. Yeah. Quote, far from it. That brought it back down as low as 64, kicked up again.
Interesting.
74. So it's moving around. It's in that area where the market is still confident there's going to be a rate cut. And as I reported yesterday, several large investment banks are still saying they expect one, but that is going to be contingent upon.
Well, that's interesting. Okay. As to be expected, when I listened to Powell speak during, after the FOMC on Wednesday and during the press conference, I did hear him say people are expecting a rate cut in December, and I want you guys to know it is not a done deal. There is disagreement in, the parties that are voting. So I thought that was really interesting because it sounded like it was new information, and market did sell some yesterday as far as pricing it in. I noticed it didn't really digest it on Wednesday, but it did digest it on Thursday. Yeah, I love just paying attention to those like macro themes, what's happening. I don't know. I just think it's so interesting. And I love that about the markets, how it's constantly pricing in information. Good morning, Mo. Uncle Mo is in the house. Uncle Mo, I heard that you're a seasoned trader, like you've been trading for a long time, for decades. I would love to have you on the show sometime. That would be so fun. And if you don't feel comfortable with video, we could do audio, but it would be really fun. Okay, Rocky Mountain Trader says that was from Tradeify Discord just for you guys. Oh, I just got an alert that Tradeify is having issues with gold data this morning for some people. It's Mo, bro. If you're still in the house, you're not alone. That sucks. Mo is more of a lurker. Lurk away, Mo, Uncle Mo. I'm so happy you're here. Thanks for saying hello. The thing about like lurking is like I never know who's around. And so I'm so happy you say hello because I love to say hello to you and to everyone. Okay, Nicholas says feels like NQ is gonna take a dive. Yeah, it's possible. It's definitely possible. Woo, it's going. All right, maybe it's gonna go back and test VWAP. You always wonder. Okay, so this candle, it's already 31 points in this 5-minute candle from open to the current price. Big news alert. U.S. airstrikes could come at any time on Venezuela, Miami heard. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Rocky. Let's take a look here. Maybe it's here. U.S. Strikes on Venezuela could come at any time. U.S. has decided attack Venezuela military sites. Oh my goodness, that is what that is about. Let's just hop into a short. Why not? Let's go put this. It might just bounce right up, right? But we'll take a shot. We'll go for 1-to-1 here. It's buying back up. Let's see what happens. I mean, it's kind of like war news. It's not so exciting. Market typically doesn't like talks of missiles, but I have seen it before where it sells off and then it instantly just buys right back because the market participants are just like, oh, whatever. Like how is that going to involve our companies? Thank you, Rocky, for alerting us. Nicholas says, I've heard Russia sending elite troops to Venezuela. Oh no! That's not good. That's not good at all. Okay, I do like this trade as far as it going to VWAP also, but I don't like that it's like an algo type of trade. But we shall see what happens. So the price target is 192. The high is above the 5-minute news candle. Do I think it can get down to 192? Yes, I do. It is very possible. NASDAQ is at 26,233, which is 1.37% in the green. It's very possible it can give up some gains here. Everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you smash that like button for me. I do have to run to get ready for the My Funded Future stream. We are running some promos, some special Halloween promos. We have some exciting news to announce on the show. And then also giveaways, Halloween giveaways all throughout the day. I'll talk to you guys soon. See you soon. Have a great day. I will see you on Monday. Have a happy Halloween. Bye, guys and gals.